everyone, this is Ms. Hartman, and I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up a digital notebook if that is your preference. So the easiest way I believe to set up a digital notebook would be in Google Docs. So what I've done is I've opened a Google document and I have titled it Digital Notebook Example. If you want to ever change the name of your Google document, you just need to click up here and you can change your name, the title of your document. So now what I'm going to do is, for my notebook, I'm going to write the date. So we won't begin our quick writes until Thursday, the 20th. So the first date I will have on here is August 20th, 2020. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the date, and right up here in the menu where it says normal text, if you click the arrow next to it and go down and select heading 1, it'll change the size for you, and then click next to it so the cursor is blinking and then type enter. It'll put you back into the normal text, and this is where you would type your quick write or journal entry or any assignment for the day that I want you to put in your notebook. So this is my quick write for today. Now if I need to add to it later for the next day, if I click enter, I'll type August 21st, 2020, highlight it again like we did before, and up here in the normal text, I'm going to select heading 1. Again, clicking off of the date and moving the cursor by hitting enter below. This is my quick write for today. This is how you'll keep your digital notebook. And the reason you want to put the date, you want to set the date as a header, is if you look right over here to the very top left, where it says, if you hover over this, it says show document outline. If I click on that, because these are headings, I'll be able to click on each date and it'll take me there in that document. This will be great for organization, for your quick writes, for anything that I want you to put in your notebook. And then in the outline over here, you'll be able to quickly find the information that you're looking for.